Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a binary puzzle in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, Monday, November the 1st, 2021. In this additional, we have two puzzles left. I've already solved this one, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. Well, the binary puzzle, we will solve this little baby number 3620. Yes, this will be 3620. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. This is an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. And now, now I need to compare, I think. No, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the second row, so the rest are 1s. Here in the last column we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Yeah. Now I think I need to compare. Yeah. Let me do this. This row and that row. 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And I need to compare again, I think. Yes. Let me do this. How about this row and that row? 1 1 empty box O. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Just find the link below here. And you will find also other links. The 3-star Sudoku and also the tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle, a 4 stars tectonic. See you then. Bye bye for now.